Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the LG SK10Y soundbar. Now you can pick this up at LG.com or you can get it a little cheaper on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price on this one, $1,000. Now this comes with the soundbar and the bass module, making it a 5.1.2 channel setup. Alright, so let's go through the features. 5.1.2 channel high resolution audio with Dolby Atmos. Now this features Meridian technology. Now on a side note, I went to LG's launch event in London. I heard this setup in person. This is a major go. Then after that, I went on a tour of Meridian's facility, and if you never heard of Meridian, just Google them, but they focus on high-end audio. Now when I say high-end, I'm not talking about Bose or Sonos. I'm talking about $50,000 to $100,000 speaker setups. Insane. They're basically the Ferrari of speakers. That technology is built into the soundbar. Now you got Dolby Atmos, high resolution audio, 24 bits, works with your Google Assistant. You got 4K pass-through, wireless sound ready, and 2 HDMI inputs. Now you can also get the wireless surround speakers that go with this. I'll unbox those too. Those are gonna run you $150. All right, so let's pop this open and see what it looks like. All right, so let's go through everything that you get in the box. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. This is the plug for the bass module. You get a remote control. Batteries for the remote. You got some zip ties for your cable management. You get 2 mounting brackets. Here's a mounting template. And you get an optical cable. Now for the soundbar itself, this thing is extra long and extra heavy, giggity. On the front, there is an LCD display. You'll see it once I power it up. On the top, here's your touch capacitive buttons. So you got power, function, volume up, volume down, and Wi-Fi. Here's your 2 up-firing speakers for your Dolby Atmos effect. Let's flip this around. And on the back, here's all your inputs. All right, so you got your LAN, you got a 3.5 portable in, optical in, HDMI, TV ARC, and 2 HDMIs. Now, for the bass module, you got cloth on 3 sides, little LG branding on the front. On the back, here's your AC input, and you have a pairing button. And that's pretty much it. All right, so let's grab the wireless surround speakers and see how those look. All right, so this is the SK10Y wireless surround kit. Now this one is gonna run you $150. Let's pop it open. All right, so you get a wireless receiver, 2 speakers, and some speaker wire. Here's the receiver. Nice and small and lightweight. You can hide this anywhere. On the back, here's your speaker wire inputs. For the speaker, on the bottom, you got 4 rubber grips, and you have a thread so you can put this on a speaker stand. You also have a thread on the back so you can hang this on the wall. There's your speaker wire inputs, and you get some speaker wire. All right, so let's plug this in. We'll get everything set up, and then we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I got this all set up, so now let's test it out. Now one of the best things about this soundbar, the setup process is so easy, you're not gonna need the book. It takes about 5 minutes. Now let me show you how I did it. Take the optical cable, plug it into the TV, plug the other end into the soundbar, turn the power on, started playing sound immediately. Then I grabbed the bass tube, plugged it in, pressed the pairing button on the back, started playing bass. Then I grabbed the wireless receiver, plugged in the 2 surrounds, didn't press any buttons, and they started playing music. The setup process is super easy. Now let me show you what it looks like. Now keep in mind, this is just for demonstration purposes. I got the soundbar set up right here. Got the bass tube on the floor. 1 surround on the left. And another surround on the right. Okay, so we're gonna start off playing some music, and then we'll take it over to some movies. All right, so let's cycle through the display. You got LG TV, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, portable, Wi-Fi, optical, and Bluetooth. All right, let's take it over to bike life. All right, so the music sounded great on this. Now let's take it to one of my favorite test movies, Black Hawk Down. All right, one more clip from my favorite movie, Hardcore Henry.
And, okay, well the good news is that you're going to live a while. The bad news is that in this case, a while means 20, 30 minutes tops, Henry. Unless you're very, very lucky. Which you are. Uncle Jimmy is going to take you to his land. Hang on. Ah, shit. We got bacon on our tail. Unplug yourself, put that away. Got some clothes in there, put the hoodie on. There's not enough time. Fucking just cover the blood up with your back. Just stay calm. Let me handle this here.
Это центральный округ. Капитан Делевский, можете напомнить, пожалуйста.
Я готов унести наказание. Я fucking okay. Pay nothing.
All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. The build quality is excellent. The sound is crystal clear. It gets nice and loud. The bass module has good punchy bass, and the rear surrounds gonna give you that immersive 3D effect. Now, you're not gonna hear the Dolby Atmos through the YouTube video, but trust me when I tell you, it sounds great. Now, if I had to compare the three, Bose, Sonos, or LG, I would go with Sonos number 1, Bose number 2, and this LG number 3. But you got to keep in mind, the Bose and the Sonos is almost $600 to $700 more than this for the complete setup. So this is a good entry-level soundbar setup. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.